to help us prepare Fish's birthday party. We have all the raw materials we need, but we need your help finishing the Invention Engine. Click the top button if you want to help prepare for Fish's party. Click the bottom button if you want to design your own machine.
Choose a level to play. Welcome to the Invention Engine. We're using the Invention Engine to create things for Fish's party, but we need your help completing it. We're trying to get the raw materials into this pipe, but we don't know where the last few pieces go. Do you think you could help us place the remaining pieces? Click or tap a piece to pick it up, and drag the piece where you want it to go. You can also drag a piece back to the menu to remove it. Some pieces can be rotated or flipped. What if we put this here? Pull this lever when you're ready to see your invention in action. Try to collect the stars in each level. The more you collect, the better the party will be. You did it! You added the blueberry to the Invention Engine. Here's a bag of wheat flour. Let's finish the contraption to deliver it to the pipe. What if we put this here? You did it! You added the flour to the Invention Engine.